The 4.5 generation jets were introduced between the decades of 1980s to 2010s. Instead of going for a new design, improvements in the existing 4th generation fighters were made as cost-cutting measures, with the addition of radar-absorbent materials, thrust-vector controlled engines, greater weapons carriage capacity, and addition of an active electronically scanned array AESA radar. Fighters of this generation include Eurofighter Typhoon, JAS 39 Gripen, Dassault Rafale, Su-35, F-15EX, F-16 Block 70-72, J-10C, and latest blocks of JF-17 and LCA Teja.